Here we are, La Marina 159, first day. Just got the bike ready, put on the seat post clamp, but it snapped last time. And we're off to Guardamar. I'll bring you back in a minute when we get a bit further down. As you can see, it's quite hot and there's no one around. Bye for now. Seen the bar on Google Maps, I'll tell you what it looks like.
Left a long time ago, and we lost touch, grew apart, my friend. My heart's an old pole dancer, troubled romancer, you know. It's a subway chancer, question with no answer. Come meet me by the river, see how time flows.
So we're down at the beach now, just outside La Marina. Can't get my breath. Okay, here we are in Guardamar. Guardamar Castle is up there. We've just come up and down that and round here. That is a killer. Bring it back in a minute when I get to the top up there. Okay, here we are at Guardamar Castle. We're going to go up on the battlements in a minute. We've just come round the side. You can see over there, down them stairs and back up. Like 50-50 walking and riding. That's the tower, one of my first rides I did out here, beginning of the year. Never again though. That's forest over there. Really hard, really cool.
It's a troubled romancer, question with no answer. Come meet me by the river, see how time flows. I'll meet you by the river, see how time flows. Come meet me by the river, see how time flows.
The battlements. Guardamar Castle. Just going to go to the viewing point just up there, have a rest and then go down to the marina. Guardamar first and then the marina for a beer I think. Right, so I think we're going to go to the marina at Guardamar, which is directly over there. So we're going to go down to the beach and then across. Probably about a mile, no more than that. Bring it back there.